Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I'm going to show you how I paint this bunny paint kit. I'm going to go in first with the gray that's provided and the number 12, and I'm just going to paint my bunny gray. And as you can tell, I'm not too worried about getting outside the lines because this is just the first step, so if I get outside the lines, I can touch it up. I've gone in and base coated my egg in the green color. And then next I'll be going in with the pink that's provided and painting the bunny's ears, nose, and all the flowers. And again, this is when I start to kind of clean up anywhere I may have gotten outside the lines. I'll go in and paint his eyes and his tooth and his tail in white. And then I'm going to let this yellow be the center of my flowers, and once all that's dry, I'm going to go in with my Sharpie brush stroke marker and outline everything. This is definitely the easiest way to outline. I really enjoy getting to use this marker. Creates really clean lines. And once I'm done outlining, I'm going to go in and highlight with a little bit of white and my number 4 round that's in the brush kit. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoy this video and have a great day.